Hey YouTube land, got a new toy. I didn't see any reviews on YouTube for it yet, so I figured I'll maybe be the first by the time this comes out. I don't know, it's just hilarious the name. I guess it's Popoman. I'm not a big Chinese tool person, but this is a cordless 4-inch, I believe, circular saw, little compact mini circular saw. And this is just going to be the unboxing video. I might get into probably another video, maybe a part 2 or 3, as far as how it works, what the depth on it is, different things. And the batteries look kind of similar to a DeWalt, so I'm going to be checking that out too later. So this is, let me take this cover off here so you don't get a glare. So that is it. Alright, gonna do a little, try to stand off to one side here and do a little unboxing. Looks like a little dust extraction type thing, I guess. Kind of like a little rip fence. Instruction of the Popoman 20 volt. Probably the battery. Well, first thing I see is I only got one battery. I ordered the 2 battery setup. I ordered two batteries, and I only got one. So that'll be the first thing on the contact list to, oh my goodness. Yeah, I ordered 2 of these. And as you can see, the kit only has the one, which I assume, but the box didn't have anything else in it either. So anyhow, let's see what's in here. In this little thing we got some saw blades, a 60 tooth blade, 4.5 inch, that's what it was. I thought it was a 4. This one looks, yeah, it's the same size. 4.5 inch for the wood. Looks like a little carbide tip. 3/8 arbor, 9.5 mil for anybody who cares. So it's 115 mil on the outside, 9.5, 7,000 max RPM. Seem pretty good. Probably, I think Porter Cable makes a 3/8 arbor also, so I'll probably end up buying those for that. And there's the charger. I'm not sure, maybe you can tell, I'm not a DeWalt guy, so I don't have all the stuff, but here's the battery. Looks, 20 volt, that's their new platform, so that is it. Made in China. 20 volt, that's the battery pack number. That's about it there. And there is the saw. Feels pretty good. I don't see anything too outrageous about it. Laser. Ooh, there. I'm not sure that comes up on the. There you go. You can see that better. I'm not sure how. Looks like it's pretty good, lined up to the 0 line. I mean, you can probably adjust that yourself. But it's got a good spring back on that. Got the little safety thing where you gotta pull it towards you, then activate that, and it's just like a little clicky. It's not like a variable adjustment type thing, just on off, on off. Let's see here. I'm not sure what that little button does yet. I haven't read the instructions. But that would be the adjustment of the fence. Feels pretty good. Moves pretty good. Tightens up pretty nice. Oh, I bet that's for the lock in the arbor. I bet there's a little thing when you're changing a blade. That's probably a blade changing thing. And there's the little dust extraction thing where you can adapt that over and hook up. That doesn't look very big. Maybe inch and an eighth hose, maybe a quarter on the inside. Not sure. Again, like I said, I haven't read the instructions. Let's see if the battery actually has any charge to it. Oh yeah. So, definitely works. Haven't got to see it in action or anything yet, but there's that. Oh man, I should have brought, oh, there's my knife. Let's see, you get the Allen wrench for changing the blade. And you got English, French, and Spanish there. Warranty, 30-day money back, 30 days to 3 months, replaced defective unit, 3 months to 24. Provide timely, effective online after sales after your purchase. So it is China, so you know, we can't expect too much. But for no more than what I'll use it for, it'll probably last a long time. And yeah, 17 spindle lock. Yep, that's what that was. Spindle lock right there. So that's all the little, if you want to pause that and look at that, that's up to you. The rip fence, what's 18? Suction, oh that's the suction tube. Looks like a bolt in that picture. Battery charging, laser function, not much in there. That's about it, and they're into French. Alright, that concludes the unboxing. When I get a little more time, I'll pop that blade on there, maybe do some cutting, and see if this DeWalt battery will fit on here. A buddy of mine's got DeWalt stuff, so I'll see if I can't steal his DeWalt battery and see if that'll all fit. So, later, people.